These are those slap bracelets, but they're made for running, so they have lights in them. You can do a fast flash, a slow flash, or a continuous light. This is pretty cool. Thought that it might come in handy if you have a child that you want to help them find their arms, their wrists, or their legs. And all the colors do pretty good. This is a pretty bright room, so some of them are a little brighter than others. Yeah, turn all of them on. But they also can be, the nylon case, you can take the internal part out and then wash the case if it needs to be washed. So this part comes out, you can replace batteries that way, and then you can wash the case. So that is one light up item for the kit in about 7 different colors. Another really cool item here are these little toys. They're really cute. Oh, and that one's starting because my finger was a little wet. But when you get them wet, they light up and flash. So these ones won't touch the bottom sensors, but as soon as those sensors hit the water, they light up, and you get quite a little flashing light show there with the water bath. So those are another thing that I have